Hey there, how you going? Thanks so much for taking the time to watch my Patreon video. You might have come here from YouTube, where you'll know that I have about 5,000 subscribers and currently over 500 lesson videos. I've been running that YouTube channel since 2014. Initially I just started it as a help to my private students, so we had somewhere to upload our phone videos from lessons. And it was a great surprise to me that, literally millions of people have watched them since. I think I'm up to almost 2 million views on the channel, which seems kind of insane. I've been teaching the guitar for 30 years and I currently run a studio here in my little room. I've been doing only online lessons over the last little while, but obviously I've done face-to-face lessons for a long time. Why am I here on Patreon? Well, I guess I'm here on Patreon so that I can continue to offer better and better video lessons. In the last year, if you have watched any of my YouTube videos, you will have noticed that I've significantly invested in video and audio and really just trying to make them much more like, I guess, really good tuition videos that you normally would typically have to pay for, but except I've made them available for free on YouTube. And I guess that's where you come in here. By being a Patreon, you'll help me continue to make 2 videos a week on the Simon Morel Guitar channel and 1 video a week on Aussie Guitar Lessons Weekly. So what do you get for being a subscriber here on Patreon? Well, at the bronze level, you are a subscriber and you get my heartfelt thanks for helping me continue to make these YouTube videos. I actually make 3 videos a week, and those 3 videos a week you will see immediately as soon as they are shot. I'm currently shooting about 2 months, a month and a half, 2 months ahead of my YouTube schedule, release schedule. So instead of having to wait those 1.5 months, 2 months, you will get to see them immediately. You will also get access to the chart for every single lesson that I produce, so it's nice and easy for you to follow. In addition, at the silver level, you will get access to my chart library of over 3,000 charts. It's literally all the charts I've ever written. There's all sorts of things in there. You will be able to also get access to 1 exclusive video every single month that I basically do for my silver subscribers. Further up the chain at gold, you will also get one-on-one access to me a number of times a year and a whole bunch of super extra special rewards. Smokey the cat has come in and now needs to go through the door. I've shut it. Cats, they're good, aren't they? Just come in the middle of things, you know. Yeah, no, I know. Why don't you come up here? Why don't you come and say hello to everybody? Ah, Smokey, can you look that way? No? Thanks very much for watching this short video. I look forward to meeting you and working with you to help you become a better guitarist. And thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Bye for now.